Hey, it's Sarah with Loaves and Dishes, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these super delicious roasted chickpeas. So we're going to take a can of chickpeas and rinse and drain them really well, and then we're going to dry them off. But these chickpeas, they get nice and crispy and crunchy in the oven, and they make a really great snack. They make a good salad topping. You could do a lot of things with these. So I laid out some paper towels after I rinsed them, and I'm gonna just kind of pat them dry. I'm just gonna take some paper towels and kind of roll them around a little bit. You want them to be as dry as you can possibly get them because moisture will keep them from getting crispy. If they're wet, still they won't crisp up. And so once you get these pretty dry, it doesn't take much. You just kind of roll them around and they, put them on some paper towels and they dry up pretty quickly. They are kind of unwieldy. Like, they're a little bit difficult to manage. It would be very easy to make a mess with these. So once you get them dried off, you just want to put them on a baking sheet and you want to line it with parchment paper. And this part's optional. You could put them in a bowl and mix them with the seasonings, or you could just do what I did where I sprinkled it on and then kind of zhuzhed it around with my hand. Causes your hand to get a little bit dirty, but you can always wash your hand. And this made it so that I didn't have to wash another dish. But you can season them with whatever seasonings you want. I did some nature seasoning, paprika, ranch, and garlic powder, and there they are. These are a super great snack, and if you want to see more recipes, be sure to check out Loaves and Dishes, and thanks for watching.